Good morning. It is Thursday here in the Bahamas. I'm wearing my outfit for the day. We're gonna go out to, it's a little muggy out today, but we have a little canopy set up out there. So we're gonna go out there, relax, read a book, hopefully catch some sun before it possibly rains. It's been raining. Outfit of the day is super cute. So I got this bikini from Shein. And I actually really like it, and I match with my man. So cute. And then it comes with like a matching little mesh skirt thing. You guys can't really see it in this angle, but I promise you it's cute. And then this is the hat I got from American Eagle, which I love, by the way. It's super cute. So let's do some skincare, quick little. By the way, guys, I think I forgot to tell you guys this. I did my nails last night. If you guys can see. This is the nails I'm gonna wear for my wedding. I don't think I've talked about it, but we kind of did it opposite. So we're doing our honeymoon first, and then my wedding's this weekend. It is what it is. I'll be right out. So go. Milk Makeup in the shade Quench. Alright guys, I gotta go have fun at the beach, which is never a problem. It's always a good problem to have. It's always a good thing. So, alright guys, I'll see you guys later. I'm out by the beach. I want to show you guys, even though it's not like bright out, it's still really nice out. And I wanted to show you guys the full fit because I didn't get a chance to show you. So, let me. Get the shoes. And look at my man, he's matching me. How cute. We're wearing a matching set, which is cute. So, 10 out of 10 would recommend. We just had pizza for lunch. Oh my gosh, look at this bird.
You worry what your friends might say if you should fall along.
Nice and relaxing today. The wind just feels really nice and it's not too hot. I think I'm gonna get in the water soon. Hopefully I'm not gonna be freezing. Okay, we are gonna fill up our little honeymoon sand.
Whoever you are, just be whoever you are. You're sitting on your phone scrolling all day, letting all the signals flood your brain. You're watching all the posts come through, and most of what you see ain't true. So maybe you should focus inwardly. Whoever you are.
I think I'm gonna put my hair up once more because I'm gonna wear these like really pretty earrings tonight. So let's do that. This is called, I think this much. Skincare, what is that? I have like a little, let's do a skincare, let's do a skincare. favorite Kopari. I want to play with this Whoosh palette because I think this is the palette I want to do for my wedding. So let's see how it turns out. These are very, very pink. Little Armani. Mixing Armani in the shade 62S and L'Oreal Blooming because I really like that combo. Really like this, using this one today. It looks really pretty. Using the two blush shades from this palette, and I think I'm just gonna powder with this. This is like a foundation, just gonna set my face with it. Okay. Sorry, I had to like literally get dressed super fast, so I couldn't show you guys the outfit, but here's the final result. I love these earrings, they're so cute. So make sure they're on, because they're really heavy so they start to fall. White scrunchie. I'll try to get you guys a better look once I'm not walking. Okay, tonight we're at Butch, which is one of the reservation restaurants here. Basically a steakhouse. We had some of it in our room last night. It was really amazing. So I'm excited to actually have like the restaurant experience. And they brought some bread. It looks delish. So let's try that. How's the bread?
You know what I remember? I forgot our chimichurri sauce was